Hello everyone, I'm meteorologist Mark Mady here with the National Weather Service in San Diego, and we're going to talk about a weather briefing we have coming up. We're going to talk about the event that happened on Friday that was a non-event for rainfall here in Southern California, but it did bring some beneficial rains farther to the north. So let's take a look at the rainfall that fell over the last couple of days. Now, the rainfall fell over some drought-stricken areas up in Central California, really beneficial rainfall. Here is the U.S. Drought Monitor, and this area of dark red shows the area of extreme drought here in this part of California. This is the rainfall that's fallen over the last 24 to 48 hours. You can see a lot of rain fell here up in the northern Sierra, and also beneficial rains fell in parts of central and parts of southern California as well, down near Point Conception. Now this area here was a good location for the severe drought area to get much needed rainfall. In fact, some of these areas got over an inch of rainfall here near Point Conception, San Luis Obispo, and so on and so forth. In fact, I'll take a look at some of the actual numbers in some of these locations on the next slide. Now, Pinecrest here in the northern Sierra got 1.35 inches. Mammoth Lakes got a very beneficial 3.13 inches here in the northern Sierra as well. Fresno in the valley picked up 6/10 of an inch of rain, nearly 6/10 of an inch. And Paso Robles, over an inch of rain. Santa Maria, and even down in Ventura County, Red Rock Creek picked up almost 3/4 of an inch of rainfall. So, what this means, so far Northern California has gotten a nice wet October. In fact, their precipitation departure from normal for the month of October is way above average. In fact, in some areas, it's over 300% of normal, meaning they've had a lot of rain this October. The water year, which starts October 1st, is off to a great start up in the northern half of the state. You can see the area here. A lot of areas in the dark purples shaded in 200% of normal or greater, sometimes in some areas even 500% of normal or greater. So a great start to the season. Farther south in the Central Valley, they've also had some beneficial rains, but you can see where that drought-stricken area is. We're still way behind even for this very beginning start of the October rain season. And so we're going to hopefully get some more beneficial rains here as we get through the early part of the winter season. Now here is the precipitation forecast for the weekend. In fact, we're going to have one more storm before October says goodbye. And most of the rain is going to fall over Northern California. As you can see here, the precipitation forecast through 5 p.m. on Sunday is for 1 to 2 inches of rain to fall north of San Francisco in the coastal areas and also in the mountainous areas of Northern California and Northern Sierra. Even some of the central, even the Northern Valley areas are going to get much needed rainfall. The bulk of the precip is going to fall to the north. The storm system isn't going to get that far south. In fact, the Central Valley will see a little bit of rainfall and also the coastal ranges, but here in Southern California, from LA southward, very little in the way of any rainfall, a few hundredths of an inch to maybe 1/10 of an inch, and that would be about it. So that's the outlook for the weekend coming up, the Halloween weekend. Enjoy your weekend, and thanks for watching, everyone.